Hi, my name's Juliet and today I'm going to show you how to add auto-numbered titled subsections to your paperback format or any other format you want it in Scrivener 3 for Windows. First, double-click on a format that has the numbering already included, as if you were making a copy, but we're not actually going to save this. The enumerated outline is a good one. It has both alphanumeric and decimal formats. Then click on the layout which has the style of numbering you want to copy. Go to the Title tab of the layout and copy the code. Then exit without saving. Double-click on the paperback format to create a new format if you don't already have one created. Go into the section with the title in that format and paste the code into the same box as it was in the enumerated outline under the Title tab. You'll probably also want to make the title left aligned. And that's it. Just make sure to assign that section layout to all the titled sections you want numbered, no matter what level they are in the structure. If you want the levels to have a different formatting, just duplicate what you've just done and customize as required. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.